Hi, this is Ryan, and today I'm going to teach you something simple for our Tech Tip Tuesdays, how to install your converter correctly. Because I get a lot of phone calls sometimes. Guys will tear their front seal or damage their lockup O-ring or overthink it in general and want to go by 3 clicks, and there's all kinds of stuff that's just wrong. So let's just keep it simple today. Pretty much stop using white lithium grease, dip your finger in your converter that you've already put fluid in, smear some tranny fluid right here. Lube that rubber up. Nobody likes slamming it in dry, okay? And I'm only wearing gloves because we've been testing all day and this converter is actually kind of hot. So here's our FTI billet 9.5 inch converter. And what you do is you just grab it and you put it in very, very carefully, and you go in straight. Now don't do this 3-click stuff, because see, that was 1 click and I'm in. And how you can tell you're in, and why I don't like 3 clicks, because it's a bullshit rule, is you take your tape measure, stop using a micrometer, just take a tape measure, converter pad to bell end. It is 1 inch 1/4. That's every 4L60E 700 R4. That's how you know it's in. No 3 clicks, no dumb shit like that. You guys saw how easy that is, how long it took. That's pretty much it. So there's your Tech Tip Tuesday, and that's how you know your converter's in all the way, so you don't break your pump and you don't damage anything putting it in. Thank you.